Hello guys! My name is Kadilis Lagunday, and today, me and my group will discuss about mariculture.
What is mariculture? Mariculture is an activity involving food production for human consumption. It is an activity in which aquatic organisms, both plants and animals, are cultured in a confined environment, in the aquatic medium, which may be completely marine or marine mixed to various degrees with freshwater in the brackishwater areas. The need for mariculture. It is accepted that with world population increasing, the food available per head is diminishing, and it is therefore necessary not only to intensify production from existing areas, but also to find additional areas for food population. If the experience in the Eastern countries is any guide, it will be seen that the coastal swamps can be profitably diverted to food production, and in this process, gain other side benefits such as creating employment in the rural areas, and at least at some extent diminishing the treck to urban areas with its associated problems. It has also been shown that the production from a unit area of a controlled environment is much more than from open natural waters.
When we talk about marine organisms, meaning nabubuhay sila sa karagatan or sa salty water. Hindi sa freshwater but sa salty water. Example ng marine organisms na kinakain natin na kinocultivate sa mariculture are finfish, shellfish like prawn, clams, or oysters. And pwede din seaweeds. Diyon naman tayo sa non-food products. Example niyan, jewelry, yung cultured pearls, cosmetics, fish meals, and nutrients agar.
Good day everyone, my name is Maribeth M. Lauron. Today, I am going to discuss to you the structure of mariculture operation. Four main types of structure are in popular use at present.
Four main types of structures are in popular use at present: floating cages, net enclosures, earth ponds, constant water circulation system. Floating cages. In the open sea or large sheltered bays, floating cages are used for culture purposes. Other structures are not practicable because of constant wave action, but for culture in cages, because of high cost of cages, it is necessary to maintain a large number of individuals inside the cage to make the venture profitable. This in turn necessitates supplementary feeding since the quantity of natural food available in the volume of water inside the cage cannot sustain the large number normally cultured in these cages. So this type of culture practice to get popular, it will therefore be necessary to first develop and inexpensive cages and also fish bid at reasonable prices, and understandably as a result, This method has been slow to develop in developing countries. Net enclosures. Barricading of large areas in sheltered bays are being tried on a commercial scale in some countries, but this requires considerable capital outlay and frequent replacement as a result of corrosion. In addition, supplementary feeding is essential, which requires higher running costs. Earth ponds. For inland brackishwater areas where the tidal range is adequate, experience in developing countries in the East has shown that for mariculture, earth ponds constructed to impound spring tide water is the most suitable structure. This can be done without much difficulty in areas where the land is more or less flat or has slight slope and the nature of the soil is satisfactory. The construction of earth ponds and use of tidal water encourages the use of manual labor for construction and harnesses gravitational force in the form of tiders for the water supply. Constant water circulation systems. Units are popular in some developed countries. These are large cement structures. In addition, these require continuous pumping of water in large quantities and also supplementary feed. Thus, this system requires not only a heavy capital outlay but also high recurrent cost. Ang system na ito requires not only a heavy capital outlay, but this proves economical where a high price can be obtained for the end products and adequate raw material for feed is available.